Hi team, it's Ian here. Just going to run through a quick video today. Well, it's not so quick, it's a bit of a long one, but we're going to show you how to create a scene in the Smart Live Tuya app. And then we're going to take that scene and we're going to voice activate it using Amazon Alexa. Same principles apply for Google Home. So follow along. Now, just before we go, subscribe. You know, people always pointing like this because subscriptions are important. It helps us with these videos. And a little heads up, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to run a competition for all subscribers. You'll be into chance to win some smart home products. So get us there quickly.
Alexa, sexy time.
Into it. So we'll dive straight into the Tuya app, and then we'll move on to Amazon Alexa.
Alexa, kitchen light.
Out in our app, go to scene down here. We've got automation or tap to run. We want to use tap to run. Go to the plus button up here, tap there, create scene. We want to launch a tap to run. We'll tap that. And then we want to select a device. Select a single device. I'm going to pick the living room light, or pick a light. Got an option of on, off, or reverse switch. We're going to reverse the switch. This allows one command to turn the light on, and then the same command will reverse the switch and turn the light off. And we'll just confirm that. So display area, this is where it's going to show up in your app. So you can just pick a put it in the living room, complete. That's optional, you don't have to do that. It just makes it easier to manage. So now we've got a tap to run that will reverse the light, and we'll save that. And let's call it light test. Confirm. And that's that part of it done. So now when we tap this, the first time it comes up, it says confirm to run. You just tap this little on here, run directly next time, and go okay. So now when we tap this, it automatically turns the kitchen light on. If we tap it again, it automatically turns the kitchen light off. So that's a scene setup. Now we're going to move over to Alexa and show you how to link this scene to Alexa. Okay, now we're going to move to setting up our scene on Amazon Alexa so we can voice control. So we'll just open up Alexa. We want to go down to these three little bars down the bottom here, tap on that. We want to go to routines. We want to add a routine and plus button up here. And we'll add an event first. So when, and we've got a voice. So we'll go, call the voice command will be test light. You can call this whatever you want. It's just saying that's memorable to you. It doesn't have to be necessarily indicative of what you're doing. You can add multiple phrases, so you can add an extra phrase if you might be two of you in a house who keep calling this Same thing, different things. So we'll go next. And now we're going to add an action. So at the moment we've got, when you say Alexa test light, then Alexa will add an action. So that scene we created before, it'll be sitting under the smart home. So assuming you have already linked your Amazon Alexa or your Google Home with your Smart Life app or your Tuya app. So you want to find scenes, and here's the one we set up before, test light test. So we'll select that scene, we'll add it. So now goes, we call the scene test light. You say Alexa test light. Alexa will activate the test light scene, and that's all you got to do. So you save that. It says it may take a minute for the voice routine to be ready, and it's sitting here. So let's go into the kitchen and now test this. Alexa test light. Alexa test light. Alexa test light. Alexa test light.
Alexa, kitchen light. Alexa, movie.